How to reduce lag in Lego Fortnite. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to reduce lag in Lego Fortnite. To reduce lag in Lego Fortnite, you could follow these steps. So to reduce lag on Lego Fortnite, first of all, you could try restarting your game, console or PC. Now restart your game in the first step for all lag fixes in any games, and Lego Fortnite is no different. If you've logged into Lego Fortnite for the first time, your console or PC might be struggling to get it up in a row or restarting. Now this is why restarting is the first step. The next step is to restart your console or your PC depending on what you own. And if you're lucky, this might be able to fix your issue. Apart from it, you could also try fixing or restarting your router as well. Sometimes poor internet connection can also cause lagging issue. Likewise, you could also restart the server itself. So in order to restart the server in the next step, this could be a glitch in a matrix if it's your first time running Lego Fortnite. Now restarting the server can be easy and a quick fix. You could also change your matchmaking reason as well. So changing your matchmaking reason in Lego Fortnite might be your best solution. If you're searching for a match and you're connecting to an area across the globe, you'll have a bad connection. So to fix, head to the settings by pressing the start button on your controller and scroll down to the clock below the microphone icon. Then click settings and scroll to the next clock tab. From there, you could change your reason to fit your area. After which you could change your graphic as well. So if you're experiencing the Lego Fortnite, you could be suffering because of your graphic quality. So turn down all your settings to make an impact on your frame rate as well. So by doing these steps, you could be able to fix the issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.